Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, we are happily inviting you for a new series, which is yeah, yes. So we are happily inviting you for a new series, which is system design by using AWS services. Okay, in this series, we are going to discuss about various key concepts which are helping to build the system design architecture, and then what are the components which really helping to architecture your applications. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So let me introduce to myself. I'm Veera Solayappan. I'm currently working as a senior software developer in tech system. I totally have a 5+ years of experience in various domains such as GIS, e-commerce, supply chain, and decentralized finance. I'm currently being a part of Cloud Native Madurai as a co-organizer. So like whenever I'm getting the time, I'm writing the blogs which is relevant for a full stack, blockchain, and cloud related stuff. And then whenever I'm having the time, I'm posting the events which is relevant for a cloud natives and the AWS cloud services. Yeah. So this is all about my short introduction. So let's get into the introduction part of the course, introduction part of this series. Okay. So in this series, we are going to discuss about various use cases. So which are real world applications development. Okay. So like yeah, let's discuss about each use cases in detail. Okay. So totally we are going to cover 10 different use cases. We are going to discuss it. So first one, design URL sorting service, which is like to Bitly. Okay. In this use case, we are going to discuss about how data storage is working, and how analytics part is handling, and then what are the security concerns is there, and then what are the non-functional requirements we have to consider, which is scalability, fault tolerance, and generation of the unique sort URLs. So these are the things we are going to discuss about in Bitly application development. And the next use case is design social media news feed, or like a post feed. Okay, so Facebook news feed. So here we are going to discuss about data models and real-time updates and personalizations, like based on the user like a recommendation based on the user preference, we have to provide the content. So that's also we are going to discuss about. And then how effectively retrieve and display the post. These are the things we are going to discuss about it. And the next use cases will be design a distributed cache system, which is like memcache or redis. Okay, here we are going to discuss about key concepts like data eviction policies and replication and consistency, and then how to handle the cache mismatch and failures. These are the points we are going to discuss about it. And the next use case will be design a web-based collaborative text editor, which is like a Google Docs. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about real-time collaborations, conflict resolutions, and operational transformation. Okay, and then we are going to discuss about data synchronization and latency. These are the key points we are going to discuss about it. And the next use case will be design a content delivery network. Okay, here we are going to discuss about caching, routing, and content replication concept. Okay, and then how to minimize the latency and handle the network failures. Okay, the next use case will be design ride sharing systems like a Uber and a Lyft. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about user registration, driver matching, and then real time tracking. Okay, and then consider price algorithms, how the price calculation is estimating, and routing and driver allocations, how they are generally handling it. These are the things we are going to discuss about it. And the next use case will be online recommendation system. Okay, so it's similar to Netflix and Amazon. Okay, so based on the user profiling, content recommendations, and personalization, how the recommendation system is working, what are the algorithms, what are the machine learning models is beginning to help to recommend the particular content to the users based on their preference. And then yeah, algorithms which is for a collaborative filtering and content based recommendation, that everything we are going to discuss about it. And the next use case will be distributed file storage system, which is like Amazon S3. Okay, here we are going to discuss about data distributions, replication, and durability, and access control, data consistency, and versioning part. We are going to discuss about it. So the next use case will be chat applications like a WhatsApp. So here we are going to discuss about real-time messaging and group chats and end-to-end encryption, how they are handling it. and then consider message storage, notification handling, and user authentication. So these are the parts we are going to discuss about it. And then final use case will be how to design the e-commerce platform like Amazon. So here we are going to discuss about product catalogs, user accounts, and order processing part. So the final will be considering inventory management and payment processing and recommendation engine. So generally how e-commerce system handle these various components, this everything we are going to discuss about. In each use cases, it will be separate session. Okay. In each session, we will discuss about various like key concept, like how to, what are the functional requirement for each use cases, what are the non-functional requirements of each use case, and what is the back of the envelope, like how, what will be the estimation for your application development, and then what will be your API design, what, how we are going to do your database design, what will be your like um, like a high level designs. Okay, these are all the aspects we are going to discuss about in the each use cases session. Okay, yeah, hopefully this session is bring more value to your career growth. Okay, yeah, that's it for the today's session. So we will discuss further in next upcoming sessions. Yeah, thank you, thank you.